Green Sensation is a top additive. By using it, you get the highest possible yield from your plants. It also helps reduce the amount of basic nutrients you need. Green Sensation gives you 4 positive effects in a single bottle. It improves the flowering, soil, resistance and yields. To use Green Sensation, start by shaking the bottle. Then add 10 milliliters of Green Sensation to 10 liters of water. Next, add the basic nutrient of your choice until your nutrient solution reaches the desired EC value. We recommend using Green Sensation from the 4th week of your plant's flowering phase. Add it to your nutrient solution every time you water your plants. Like all our universal products, you can combine Green Sensation with all substrates and basic nutrients. Plagron.com #PassItOn. Find the substrate that fits your needs in our product selector in the link below.